Xin chào các bạn, tôi tên là Charles and welcome back to English with Charles, my new series where I speak slowly with perfect enunciation so that you can shadow my speaking. Today we are talking about food, the special language that everybody understands. Am I right? It brings us together and allows us to share traditions, stories, and culture. Today, I'm going to talk and discuss the difference between the cuisines of Vietnam and my country, the UK. So first, without further ado, let's talk about Vietnamese food. Vietnamese food is world famous for its vibrant flavors and colors. Have you heard of phở, bún bò Huế, or indeed com, thông? Local, delicious dishes that Vietnamese people love to enjoy every day. This food is so tasty, especially when you add the fresh herbs and a squeeze of lime. Vietnam is famous for its street food, which is both healthy and unhealthy, but absolutely yummy. In Vietnam, I love nothing more than to sit down at one of the local street vendors and devour an amazing meal. In contrast, let's talk about British food. Now, I will be honest, the UK is not exactly famous for its traditional cuisine compared to, say, France or Germany, which has very, very strong dishes associated with those countries. British food is diverse and multicultural. We have dishes from all over the world. A classic example is traditional fish and chips. Rất ngon, really delicious, guys. Not very healthy though. It is a tradition in Western countries such as the UK to eat fish and chips on a Friday, where you gather with your family and enjoy together. Another classic is the Sunday roast. Team, I would love to encourage you to try this amazing dish consisting of roasted meat, normally beef or chicken, with vegetables, peas, broccoli, sprouts, etc., and some kind of potato as well. I can often be seen dreaming about a Sunday roast. Interestingly, one of the most popular dishes in the UK is also a curry from India, which people love to enjoy as well. When comparing the flavors, Vietnamese food is more fresh and vibrant with the flavors, using herbs, spices, sweetness, sour, salty, spicy tastes all together. On the other hand, British food is more comforting with hearty flavors, rich gravies, roasted meats, and puddings. Perhaps this is the reason why lots of British people are slightly overweight. Moving on now to talk about drinks. Have you ever tried Vietnamese coffee? Egg coffee, salt coffee, all the different variations. Vietnamese coffee is very, very strong and is normally served with condensed milk. It certainly gets the heart pounding in the morning. In contrast, in the UK, we love to start our day with a traditional cup of tea. Normally with milk, but this is a big part of British culture. We start by putting the tea bag into a cup, filling it with boiling water, adding a little sugar and indeed some milk. Absolutely delicious. To be honest, most British people are addicted to tea. We drink it all day, every day, and it's a big part of our culture. To conclude, guys, all of this talk about the flavors of Vietnamese food, the comforting nature of British food has made me incredibly hungry. So I'm going to go for some lunch now. Let me know what you think are the most famous dishes around the world from each country in the comments below. I would love to know if you have ever tried any Western food and which food you love the most. I hope you have enjoyed this video as much as I have. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting cultural explorations in our next podcast. Have a fantastic day. Hit subscribe and hit the like button and leave any comments down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.